Students, already we have started with the compound interest chapter. Today we will continue with the chapter. We in the last period we have started with exercise 14.2, and in that exercise we had done two sums. Now today we will go for the third. Is it clear? So I am just reading the question. In a forest there are 40,000 trees. Find the expected number of trees after 3 years. If the objective is to increase the number at a rate 5% per annum. So just what is given in the beginning, in a forest there are 40,000 trees. That means your principal amount is your number of trees, we will take as 40,000. I hope all of you understood here. Find the expected number of trees after 3 years. That means the n is given to you 3 years. And the number of trees increasing at a rate of 5% per annum. That means here R is 5%. We have to find how much number of trees increases after 3 years. So here we have to find the amount. Amount formula already we had done. Amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket is to n. I hope all of you know this formula. Amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket is to n. The principal is given to you 40,000. 1 plus R is your 5 upon 100 and is given to 3. I hope all of you understood it here. 40,000. 100 plus 5, that is 105 upon 100 whole cube. I hope all of you understood it here. Now, amount is equal to the calculation part. Students, you have to do the calculation part properly. 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. Your cube was there. Cube means you have to multiply how many times? 3 times. Clear everyone? I hope all of you understood it here. 2 0 2 0 get cancelled. Again we can cancel 2 0 2 0. I hope all of you understood it here. Now amount is equal to 4 into 105 into 105 into 105 upon 100. I am not cancelling it because the zeros are there. Whatever the answers comes, you can put the decimal after two numbers. Is it clear? So these zeros I am not cancelling. Here the calculation, your final answer will be amount you are going to get 305. That means your calculation, whatever the answer will come, you will get the answer 46,305. This will be the number of trees after 3 years. The final answer you have to write. The number of trees increases in 3 years is 46,305. I hope all of you understood. This was the sum number 3 of exercise 14.2. Okay, now we go for the sum number 4. Always remember, students, read the question properly. What is given the question number 4? The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation is 10% per year, find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. Here the word depreciation comes already in the beginning. While starting with the exercise, I said whenever there is a decrease, depreciation or fall, these three words comes, R will be your minus. I hope you understood this. So what is given here? The principal amount in the beginning, the price of the machine was 2,50,000. R you have to take it minus 10%. Already I had explained you why it is, because your depreciation is there. The price is decreasing, so here the R will be negative, and N is given to you 2 years. After 2 years, we have to find the price of the machine will be how much. In the beginning it was 2,50,000, 10% decrease. That means after 2 years, you have to find the depreciation price also. So amount formula will be always in the plus only. What we have done, amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to, and this is the formula. Now just we will substitute over here. Principal is given to you 2,50,000. 1 plus R is what? Minus 10 you have to take upon 100 to you. 2,50,000 plus into minus 10 upon 100. Clear everyone? I hope all of you understood here. Now we will go for cross multiplication. 2,50,000 into 100 ones are 100 minus 10, that you will get 90 upon 100 square. That is 2,50,000 into 90 upon 100 into 90 upon 100. I hope all of you understood here. Now the calculation part, your 2 0 get cancelled. Again we can cancel 2 0. So what will you get? 25 into 90 into 90. Multiply. When you multiply, you will get the answer 2 lakh 2,500. 2,05,000. In the beginning, the price of the machine was 2,50,000, and after 2 years, the amount decreases to 2,02,500. We have to find how much the depreciation price of the machine after 2 years. That means the depreciation of price. Depreciation of price of the machine in 2 years is equal to, in the beginning it was 2,50,000 minus 2,02,500. That means your final answer will be 47,500. This is the decrease in the price of the machine after 2 years. I hope all of you understood this sum number 4. Okay, now we will go for the sum number 5. Find the compound interest. If the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is 4,036.80 at a rate of 16 PA. That means here what we have to find the compound interest. Is it clear? But amount is given to you. To find the compound interest, first of all we have to find the principal. Until and unless we find the principal, we cannot find the compound interest. I hope you understood what is given in this sum. That means that amount is given to you 4,036.80 and is given to you 2 years. R is given to you 16 PA. We have to find the compound interest. For finding the compound interest, first of all we are finding the principal. The amount formula is P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. The amount is given to you 4,036.80 is equal to principal. We have to find 1 plus R is given to you 16 upon 100 and n is given to you 2. I hope all of you understood here. Now same way of 4,036.80 is equal to P. 100 was the 100 plus 16, 116 upon 100 square. I hope all of you understood here. Now 4036.80 is equal to P into square means you have to multiply 2 times. That is 116 upon 100 into 116 upon 100. I hope is it clear to everyone? Now we have to find the value of P. So P is equal to 4036.80 into 100 and this 1 116 will come down. Now this 20 will remove the point. That means principal is equal to 403680 into 100 will be left upon 116 into 116. I hope all of you understood it. Is it clear to me? Now the cancellation part. This will get cancelled. You will get also 3480 into 100. Again we can cancel by this 30 into 100. That means principal we are going to get 3000. I hope all of you understood it. Okay, we have to principal we got it, but in this sum what is asked? We have to find the compound interest. What you have to find? Compound interest. The compound interest formula I think so you know. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount we got 3000. Sorry, amount is given to you. So amount is given to you. What the amount given to you? Amount is given to you 4036.80 minus 3000. When you minus it, the answer will be the compound interest you are going to get 1036.80. So your compound interest I am writing here properly. The compound interest you are going to get 1036.80. Here given. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, sum number 6. Okay, what is given here? A loan of 15,000 was taken on compound interest. If the rate of compound interest is 12 BCPA, find the amount to settle the loan after 3 years. We have to find the amount in this sum. Is it clear? So what is given here? Principal amount is given to you 15,000. R is given to you 12 BCPA. N is given to you 3. We have to find the amount. The amount is the formula is T bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Principal is given to you 15,000. 1 plus R is given to you 12 upon 100. N is given to 3. I hope all of you understood here. So what will you get? 15,000. 100 was the 100 plus 12, 112 upon 100 into 3. Amount is equal to 15,000. Cube means you have to multiply how many times? 3 times. 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100. I hope all of you understood here. Now the cancellation. This 2020 get cancelled. Again 10 we can cancel. Clear everyone? Again we can cancel this. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 256. So your amount is equal to 3 into 56 into 112 into 112 divided by 100. Now I am not cancelling this 100 because we can put the decimal after 2 numbers. So your final answer will be 210.93.92. The amount we are going to get. That means so the final answer you have to write amount to be paid to settle the loan is settle the loan after 3 years is how much he has to pay? That is 21,073.90. I hope all of you understood. This was the sum number 6. Okay, 7 sum. A principal amount to 13,924 in 2 years by compound interest at 18%. Find the principal. The amount is given. given to you. Here the amount is given to you. One sum we have done, that is the sum number 5. There also we have to find the principal. In this sum also we have to find the principal. So the amount is given to you 13,924 and is given to you 2 years. R is given to you 80 TCPA. We have to find the principal. Amount formula T bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. Amount is given to you 13,924. Principal 1 plus R is given to you 80 upon 100 and is given to you 20. I hope all of you understood here. 13924. 100 1 100 plus 18, 118 upon 100. So here 13924 equal to principal into square is you have to multiply 2 times 118 upon 100 into 118 upon 100. I hope all of you understood it. We have to find the principal. This 100 will come out. P is equal to 13924 into 100 upon 118 into 100. Clear everybody here? Now if you divide 13,924, it is easily divisible by 118. So when you divide it, you will see again you will get 118. And these are 118 get cancelled. The principal we are going to have 100 into 100, that is 10,000. I hope all of you understood this one. So what is given? The principal amount is going to get 10,000. Okay, sum number 8. The population of the suburb is 16,000. Find the rate of increase in the population if the population after 2 years is 17,640. After reading the question, what you understood, that means what you have to find in this is totally different till now whatever we have done. In this sum we have to find R. What is us? R is us. Rate of increase we have to find. What is given to you? Principal amount is given to you. Principal amount is 16,000 and is given to you 2 years. Amount is given to you 17,640. We have to find R in this sum. Formula is same. We continue with the formula. Amount is equal to T bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. I hope all of you understood here. Amount is given to you 17640. Principal is given to you 16,000. 1 plus R we have to find upon 100 and n is given to you. Any doubt here? I hope all of you understood here. This will come down 17640 upon 16,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. So this 0 get cancelled. Now we have to remove the square over here. 1764 upon 1600 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Okay. Once it is a 1764 is a square of 42. 42 into 42 we will get 1764 and 16,160 is the square of 40. That will be a writing in a square form. That is 1 plus R. This side as it is you have to write. The whole square. I hope all of you understood here. Now we have to remove the square on both the sides. Removing square on both the sides. Removing square on both sides. When you remove the square on both the sides, what you will get? 42 upon 40 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Any doubt here? I hope all of you understood here. This 1 we have to bring on this side. That means 42 upon 40 minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. I hope all of you understood here. Cross multiplication, this simple calculation is there. First we know that 41 the 40, that is 42 minus 40 upon 40 is equal to R upon 100. Any doubt here? I hope all of you understood here. Now 42 minus 40 is how much? 2 upon 40. This R will come up into R. This 0 and 0 is get cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 5s are. That means your R is going to get 5%. How much you got? What the value of R? 5%. That means the final answer will be the rate of increase in population into the rate of increase in the population in 2 years is 5%. The rate of increase in the population in 2 years is how much? 5%. I hope all of you understood this for the cell number 7. Number 9. In how many years 700 will amount to 847 at a compound rate of 10 PCPA? That means what is given here? Here we have to find number of year, and what is given here? Principal is given to you 700. Amount is given to you 847 and R is given to you 10 PCPA. We have to find N. What you have to find in this? N. Amount formula P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. I hope all of you understood here. Amount is given to you 847. Principal is given to you 700. 1 plus R is given to you 10 upon 100 and we have to find. What you have to find in this one? N. Now this 700 will come down. 847 upon 700 is equal to 1 plus 10 upon 100. I hope all of you understood here. So what we will get over here? 847 upon 700. Cross multiplication 100 1 the 100 plus 10 will be how much? 110 upon 100. And any doubt here, students? Okay, now we can cancel this by ये दोनों cancel होता है 7 से 100 and when we cancel this 1 21. I hope all of you understood here. What you will get? 121 upon 100 is equal to 110 upon 100. Any doubt here? This 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 121 is the square of, we know that 121 is the square of 11 and 100 is the square of 10. That means you will get 11 upon 10 whole square is equal to 11 upon 10. And I hope all of you understood. Is there any doubt student here? I hope it's clear to everyone. Now you can see laws of indices we have learned in the lower classes 7 में पढ़ा हुआ 8 में पढ़ा the laws of indices. Bases are equal, so you have to see the index. Your base 11 upon 10 and here also 11 upon 10. The bases are equal. That means the value of n you are going to get 2. That means n is equal to 2 here. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, we will go for the last one. Question number 10. Student, this sum is incomplete. You can understand by reading the sum question. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on 20,000 at 8 PCPA. Your number of years is not mentioned. So add in that. What you will add? For a period of 2 years. For a period of 2 years, this part you are going to add in that question. I hope all of you understood. Again I repeat. You have to add for a period of 2 years. Clear everyone? Okay. So what is given in this? Principal amount is given to you 20,000. R is given to you 8 PCPA. N is given to you 2 years. First of all, here we have to find the simple interest. What we have to find? Simple interest. We have to find compound interest, and then we have to find the difference between the simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest formula is P into N into R upon 100. The basic formula we have done in the lower classes 7 and 6 standard. Principal is given to you 20,000. N is given to you 2 year, and R is 8 upon 100. 2020 get cancelled. Multiply it. What do you get? After multiplication, the simple interest 200, 2 to the 4, 4 8 the 32, and 2 0. That is 3,200 the simple interest you are going to get. Now we have to find what you have to find. Amount you have to find the compound interest. Amount formula P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket is to n. Principal is given to you 20,000. 1 plus R. R is 8 upon 100 and is given to you 2. I hope all of it is clear. 20,000. 100 1 100 plus 8, 108 upon 100 square. 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. 2 0 cancel हो गया. Again 2 0 into 0 get cancelled. 2 into 108 into 108 you have to multiply. You are going to get 23,328. This is the amount you are going to get. I hope all of you understood. When you multiply 2 into 108 into 108, you are going to get 23,328. We have to find our compound interest. Compound interest formula is amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. The amount you got 23,328 minus principal is given to you to 20,000. So your compound interest you are going to get 3,328. What we got? 3,328. Simple interest we got. How much we got? 3,200. And the compound interest we got 3,328. So your difference we have to find. Compound interest minus simple interest. Compound interest we got 3,328 minus simple interest is almost 3,200. So you got the difference 128. I hope all of you understood. This we had completed the chapter that is compound interest. I hope all of you understood this chapter.